Good morning, Les from Retired and Living the Dream, and this is a video that I hope that I'd never ever have to make, but sadly it's a video that I'm going to make, but I'm going to make several videos about this because it's a long story, too much to put onto one video. But today's the day my wife leaves me. I'm sat here on the beach about 10 minutes away from where I live. I've got a cappuccino coffee and I've got a toastie, so I'm having a toastie and coffee sat watching the world go by down by the beach. So my wife is leaving me today. It's sort of a amicable breakup. It was sort of unexpected, but there was a couple of red lines that were crossed, and I wasn't very happy about the red lines being crossed. Now, to all the people who say, oh yeah, she's gone back home to her previous husband, she's found somebody else, Les has found somebody else, it's absolutely none of that. It's family related, and again I'll go on to that in another video. But family related, purely and utterly family related, and to anybody that's living in Thailand, family is number one here in Thailand. She's left absolutely everything, she walked away from everything for family reasons, which may shock a few people, but Ploy, I still haven't got any bad words about her. She was a lovely person whilst we were together, a genuine, really down-to-earth girl, but sadly the red line that was crossed with family matters I couldn't accept, and it was for that reason is why she's left today. And again we discussed it a little bit, not as much as I'd like to have discussed it, but hey, then never mind. Once a mind was made up, a mind was made up. So this is the reason why I haven't done many videos, because this has been going on in the background. But retired and still living the dream, a little bit battered and bruised mentally, perhaps, not physically. So life goes on. I've got to get myself out of this hole. I'm 65, coming up to 66, having to start all over again. So it'll be some different videos, that's for sure. So thanks very much for all the kind words and support that I've had off family and friends. My glass is always half full. I just look at this as another opportunity. I'd certainly sooner have a breakup here in Thailand and move on with my life than have a breakup in the UK and try to move on with my life. So for those people who see me out and about around Pattaya or Hua Hin or Chiang Mai, it's Les's adventures on his own, and we'll see where we go from there. So thanks very much everybody for watching, and please leave your comments down below. There's a few more videos coming on this, as what the red flag reasons were. Again, there's too much to put in this video, but am I sad? Yes I am. Am I broken hearted? Yes I am, but I'll recover. So from Les, retired and living the dream, at the beach, having me coffee. Bye for now.